Yes, I think hi friends. I think I'm audible, right? Yes, I think hi friend. Okay, people who are out there. Right. So what has the market done? Okay. നമ്മളൊരു ക്രൂഷ്യൽ ജംഗ്ഷനിലാണ് നമ്മൾ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പോയത്. ഇൻ ദ സെൻസ് നമ്മൾ സ്ട്രീം നിർത്തിയത്. So that was not the best time to stop the live stream. ഒരു glorious opportunity ആയിരുന്നു. And I will explain you why now. Okay, right. So yes. So what has happened to Nifty? Yeah, just a second. Right. Okay, so fine. Okay, I think people have started to stream in. Okay, right. So this has been happening in Nifty. Okay, what we see currently here. ഇതാണ് നിഫ്റ്റിയുടെ ചാർട്ട് ഇന്നുണ്ടായത്. Yes. Okay, Jibin. Okay, this is some manipulation happening in Nifty. Okay, so right. So answers to all of your queries, everything. So okay, thank you Jibin, and thank you Jacob too for your inquiry. Okay, so Jacob, there is nothing to be concerned about manipulation, because ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് we hit a bottom. See, Nifty hit a bottom of around 21,600 3 weeks ago. Okay, so it was some 2-3 weeks ago when we look at the daily charts. Okay, so this was the bottom. Okay, 21,700. That was the bottom. That was the closing of the election day low also. വളരെ crucial ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലെവൽ. So this yellow line is that bottom. Okay, so അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ we saw a heavy rally. We saw solid green candles we saw gap up openings and then the market going up. Okay, we saw crucial resistance levels being broken. Okay, so 23,800 levels, this yellow line. Okay, this yellow line being broken, let me change it to red. Okay, so this red line being broken. Okay, so all those things suggesting that we were typically back in for a sort of a bull run. Okay, so we were considerably there. I mean, we were comfortably there. I'm sorry. Okay, we were comfortably there. So now that the market is moving to 25,000, അവിടെ ഒരു മാനിപ്പുലേഷനെ പറ്റി നമ്മൾ കൺസേൺ ആവേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. There is no kind of manipulation. It is purely strength in the market. Okay, so നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയാൽ ഇതാ ഇവിടെ in days candle, ഞാൻ ഡേ ക്യാൻഡിലാണ് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. It has also crossed the previous high which was created on this Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday and this Monday, Tuesday created that 24,000 25,000, essentially 25,000. അത് നമ്മൾ എന്താ 25,000 നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, so this just shows pure strength in the market. Okay, and how was our analysis today? Okay, see, നമ്മൾ നോക്കുക, we did this trade 1, trade 2. Okay, all this, let all these things go. Okay, so we did the 5-minute or the 15-minute analysis today. Okay, and we did it using the Fibonacci. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു Fibonacci level വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ calculate ചെയ്ത് this was the box. Okay, the golden ratio വരുന്ന ഒരു box, this was the box. Okay, so നമ്മൾ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ at 12:15, just immediately after we ended the stream, in another 10 minutes we could see that there was a breakout. But again, അതൊരു false breakout ആയിരുന്നു. It gave a false indication. Some people would have been trapped in that. Okay, and then it showed strength. This candle, 1 p.m. candle. The difference between the candles of 1 p.m. and 12:15 p.m. Okay, ഒരു മണിയുടെയും 12:15 candle difference. The closing of this candle is comfortably above what our yellow box, which is a golden ratio zone or the golden zone. Okay, and then after that, see the strength it showed after that. Okay, see the strength. See now also, even now. See, it is going to the 25,200 level now. It is going to 25,200 most probably. Okay, so because that was where I think let's draw the Fibonacci again. Okay, it started from this was our code. Okay, yeah, so this I am starting from 9:45 to this 10:45 candle, 10:40 candle. Okay, so 1.618 was 25,000 and നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, and the next one being 25,300 probably. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ രാവിലത്തെ സ്ട്രീമിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു there is a high possibility that it can go to 25,000 today. Look where the market is now, 25,100. Okay, and ഞാനും ചെറിയൊരു ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തിരുന്നു, but in the meanwhile I had to go for lunch, പിന്നെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, so I didn't want to risk my position anywhere. So even I'm in a profit of around 12k today. Okay, so this was my I also entered 25,000 CE, but again I couldn't catch the complete rally, let me be honest. Okay, so right, okay, so 25,090 is where the market is currently. And see, just ഒരു 5-minute candle ഒരു simple analysis ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. The candle 2:10 ഈ candle, it went up to a high of what? High 25,106. It opened at 25,063. 63 മുതൽ 106 വരെ പോയി. Now that there is only 50 seconds left, it hit a high, coming back, but still it is staying there. Means ആ candle ഒരു 90% ഇപ്പോഴും sold ആണ്. Okay, so that shows strength in the market. Bulls are completely in control. All possibility that it will go to 25,200. It can be an easy trade. Okay, so 25,200, possibly 250. Very, very possible. With a stop loss of, you can even consider 25,040. 25,040 ഒരു stop loss വെച്ചിട്ട് you can ride something from 25,100 to 200. Okay, so which is okay 25,000. Let's say 25,300 call would be better because that is slightly out of the money. Or 25,200 or 300 can be considered. Okay, it is at 119 now. It moved up a dazzling 231% today. So 40 രൂപയിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നതാണ് or 35 രൂപയിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നതാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ 118 രൂപയിലാണ്. Now this and ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ, നമ്മുടെ ഈ റാലിയിലും ദിസ് ഈസ് കൺസിഡറബിളി സ്റ്റീപ്പ് എന്നാലും നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ബ്രേക്ക് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. സി അറ്റ് 120, 115, 120 there is a break, small break. ഇതും ഒരു അതുപോലൊരു സ്മോൾ ബ്രേക്ക്. അതിന് ശേഷമുള്ള റാലി നോക്കൂ. സി 120ക്ക് ശേഷമുള്ള റാലി നോക്കൂ. ഇൻ 20-25 minutes നിഫ്റ്റി റാലിഡ് അബൌട്ട് 200 points 20 minutes. Okay, so that very similar thing is well possible here, is very much possible here. So 120, yes, I'm seriously considering an entry here. Okay, okay, it can go all the way up to 150. Okay, it can definitely hit, let's say 150, possibly, very much possible. Okay, but is that the level? Wait, yes, definitely yes. I think an entry is very much possible here. Yes, 120, 121, yes, 121, 122, whatever it is. 121 നമ്മൾ consider ചെയ്യുന്നു if you are entering here. Okay, yes. So let me also just do 2 lots just for the sake of it. ഒരു demo trade ball, let's do it at 120, let's do it 122. Yes, okay, right. എനിക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി എൻ്റെ പൊസിഷൻസ് ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് I already have my positions. Okay, so I'll have to exit some position possibly. Yes, exit. Okay, I think now I should be having enough funds. Okay, so I'm definitely considering a buy at 150 quantity, or 150 quantity at 122. Okay, so I got it at 120.6 whatever. Okay, so my stop loss will be at when Nifty reaches 25,040. Okay, so I entered 25,040, and 25,040 would mean stop loss of 105, let's say 105, or 105 to 103, 103. Okay, so that will be my stop loss. So again 150 into possible 15, so 2,200. So it's very much affordable. Okay, so again the risk to reward ratio, നിങ്ങളുടെ risk to reward ratio നോക്കുക. നമ്മുടെ ടാർഗറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, our target is almost 150, which means it is 30. Okay, 30 points. ഇവിടെ risk to reward എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 30 is to, yes, this one. Okay, so this is our target. We are starting from 120. Yes, so again ഇവിടെ risk to reward എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1.6 ആണ്. And it is very much possible it can hit my stop loss also. Okay, so again this is how you can, you should already have an idea what is your target, what is your stop loss. Okay, so ഇത് രണ്ടും coincide ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സ്ഥലമാണ്. We are keeping it as a stop loss. 103 will be my stop loss. Okay, but I don't see much of a possibility of this hitting 103. I'm not going to average down anyway. Okay, so ഇന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഒരു slight profit ഉണ്ട്, and I'm going to keep that anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yes, it is reaching 120. Again, bulls should be back in control. I am expecting 25,200. So we have taken an entry at 120, roughly 120, right? Okay, 120. It is almost at coast to coast now. This is just to demo trade ചെയ്തതാണ്. Now Zerodil, now it is available to see all the trades in the chart itself. അതൊരു വളരെ ഫൈൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കൺവീനിയൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫീച്ചറാണ്. 120ലാണ് നമ്മുടെ എൻട്രി, and we are expecting rally to 150, stop loss of 103. $150. Having said that, 150 will be your first target definitely, and 75 quantity 150 exit yolu if at all it reaches 150. Okay, I'll again see for another rally. So yes, now it has gone into the green. Let's see how. Yes, Nifty again see bulls thaneyana control. We should be in for an easy catch, I guess. 25,200 possibly. So this can be our support, not the resistance, support. Okay. This swing high around 25,090 ennulla swing high break cheyidana, and according to the Fibonacci nammade next level ennu parayunnathu it should be this one. Yes, Kiran Divagar, reward to risk. Yes, risk to reward ratio നമ്മുടെ high തന്നെയാണ്. Means risk to reward 1.6 ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത്. As you can see here. Okay, risk to reward ratio 1.6 ആണ്. 17 പോയിന്റ് ആണ് നമ്മുടെ റിസ്ക്, 30 പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ് നമ്മുടെ റിവാർഡ്. And that being having said that is the first target. And I strictly suggest 103 strict ആയിട്ടുള്ള stop loss. Definitely do follow the strict stop loss, because there is also a possibility that market has rallied so much, FIIs might trap us and it can pull the market down to 25,000 maybe quickly, very quickly, or no, I mean 24,900 so levels very quickly. So strict stop loss. Okay, so manually ചെയ്താലും മതി. Okay, so you sell when it is at 103 range വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you just avoid it, okay, if at all it comes. 150 quantity ആണെങ്കിൽ, okay. But it doesn't look to be going to 103 but only to 140 150 levels. Let's see. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് കൂടെ ബാക്കിയുണ്ട് ഈ ക്യാൻഡിൽ. Gautam Shankar. Hi Gautam, hi Kiran, hi everyone. Okay, everyone consider liking the video. Please like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel ko. Okay, please consider subscribing the channel too. Okay, so that you get informed good quality trades if and when available. Okay, today we had done only 2 trades. Okay, morning il 2 trade aanu cheythu, and both were in good profits. Okay, So yes, so it is market ആ ഒരു റേഞ്ചിൽ കുറച്ച് നേരം സസ്റ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യണം. That is fine. If we get a rally now if we get a rally ഇപ്പോൾ, then it should show some strength. Maybe in 1 or 2 candles നമ്മൾ 25,200 പോകാനുള്ള പോസിബിലിറ്റി ഉണ്ട്. Because when it is, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ പറഞ്ഞത്, when the market takes time to consolidate, then the next upcoming move can be very healthy, very strong. Let's watch Nifty. Yes. चलो टाइम देते हैं निफ्टी को. It will take time, but when it goes, it should go boom boom boom. We are expecting the market still to go up, and go up possibly with good strength. Okay, so 225 candle now, 225 candle now. Possibly if this shows strength, and hopefully it will, I think it is showing. Again, it has to cross the 110 115 barrier definitely. Now possibly yes, it should be going to 25,200. Okay, which means our option can definitely go to 140. I'm expecting 140 there. To 150 is not possible. 150 it can go to 140. देखते हैं. So anyway, as we have already said, see, according to me, my position, it cannot take me to losses if it goes to 100 103. No, so I'm relatively safe out there in that position. The candle has still 1.5 minutes to finish. 1.5 minute. We are waiting for any movement. Okay. See, my microphone always has some issue or the other all the time. Charlie. And does anyone know in YouTube how do we put polls? Polls create ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. How do we do that? Those who are watching, please consider liking the channel. Yes. And we should be. That was my idea, to have some polls, opinions in a live stream, so that you get more information. Quiz പോലെ ഓരോ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ, and we'll be doing that soon. I think to do a poll is possible, right? Yes, candle finish is, and it is not a bad finish. It is not the best either. We'll wait. We'll wait. And by the way, how is VIX performing? VIX is at 0.7 up. Okay. It's just okay. And also, I'll also check the OI data. As expected, 25,000 the highest amount of put writing in 25,000. Okay, so is my position exited? No, not yet. Okay, so ഇതുവരെ ആയിട്ടില്ല, and I may be exiting, and you know, at times I may be wrong also, so but to be safe is, that's what matters. It is at 107 now. 107, 106, 105. Like the is to SL hitter. Yes, it is at 103. Yes, I am exiting. Yes, it's at 104.5. Yeah, so it's an exit. So that just hit our SL. Okay, so I don't want to bear any loss beyond that. And see, it might still prove me wrong that the market may go up, but still I am following my discipline. Whatever I have set as my stop loss, I have just followed that. Okay, so whatever happens, I am still in profit, but so it doesn't matter much to me if I don't make a profit in this one. So it's fine. And so hence the third trade of ours goes into loss, which is very much fine. Okay, but I don't want to bear any sort of excessive loss, so I've just kept it there. So those who have not exited, it is always suggested that you may again make a profit in this one by this one going back. ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവാം, പക്ഷേ as far as discipline is concerned, just avoid it. It is not the huge loss and all. It's from 120 to 103, 17 points. Yes, there is a small loss, but that is fine. Okay, it is about what, 10%. Okay, so 10 to 12%, which we already made in the first trade. So പക്ഷേ FIAs being an expiry, again I am telling you, this being an expiry, there may be a huge pullback again. So I am not taking any sort of such risk. I exited at 104. ഞാൻ 104 exit ചെയ്തു. Okay, so 25,100, there is so much activity. Yes, immediately after 25,000, the most active strike is 25,100. So there is so much happening at 25,100. So this has acted as the resistance. Okay, this or this region in general. This region has acted as a resistance. Okay, see, this is what can happen. I exited at 104, now at 97, 96. No, I don't want to suffer those things. So it was a wise exit too. To limit your losses is the primary thing to make profits. So don't take unnecessary risk. Again, the market sort of told us that okay, I'm ready to go up, okay, after a small consolidation, but was not the case. Again, I'm not entering any other trade today, this being an expiry. Okay, so I don't want to, except that maybe I'll just check. 24,900 put, 25,100 call, 25,100 CZ. Okay, 100 and so 24, 950 put. Okay, no trades currently. So if we draw another Fibonacci here, if we extend the Fibonacci from here to here, this, if we are considering this as a rally, okay, the pullback can be up to 24,900, but less likely to happen today. ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ not likely to happen. Okay, so it seems this is taking support there. It's taking support there and going. But it is yet to be seen. We don't know what the next candle brings. If 25th on this small swing is to be broken, then we might see another 50-100 point rally downwards also. So nothing is confirmed as of yet. നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഡിസിപ്ലിൻ കീപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ കീപ് ദ ഡിസിപ്ലിൻ. Yes, Jacob. Thank you. Yeah, Abel has also joined in. Kiran, hi Kiran. Hi Kadur. Who is Kadur? I'm sorry if I don't recognize you, Kadur. Anyway, hi. Thanks for joining in. Vishnu Narayanan. Yes. Vishnu Da. Okay, Vishnu Narayanan, my colleague from NIT. So I made a loss of around 2,500 there in that C. But anyway, I decided to exit. So no regrets there. ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ ഒരു പുട്ട് സ്പ്രെഡ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ഇഫ് ഐ ക്യാൻ ഷോ യു ഇൻ ദ സെൻസിബിൾ ടാബ്, ഐ വിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ഷോ യു what my position was in Sensible. Okay, for those who don't know Sensible is the option trading platform. It is connected to multiple brokers including Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One. Okay, so my positions being, yes, currently at 10,000 profit today. this one, yes. So I had shorted these three, yeah, these tick marks, these three were my positions yesterday. Okay, I had shorted 150 put, okay, 24,150 PE, seeing that the market is not the most bearish, but I expected, we have come back from a bear market, definitely 100%. It is no more a bear market. So, and it has already crossed the 23,800 levels, was above the 24,500 also. So I expected, if not today, maybe tomorrow, that the market can go up considerably. So adil ninnu, so 3,500 has come from that, okay, that profit. And today's option by lunch time I could catch a small thing, but only 9,000. So that was one catch. And see, live ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, this being the first live, ഇത് ഇന്നലെയും മിനിഞ്ഞാന്നും ഒക്കെ ഒരുപാട് സ്ട്രെയിൻ ഉള്ള വർക്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പാരലി 2-3 വർക്കുകൾ പോകുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സോ ഐ ഡിഡ്ന്റ് വാണ്ട് ടു ഓവർ സ്ട്രെസ് മൈസെൽഫ്. അതും ഒരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ സത്യം പറഞ്ഞാൽ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യണം എന്ന് തന്നെ വിചാരിച്ചല്ല. ലൈവ് വരണം, ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് നമ്മുടെ ഇത് അനാലിസിസ് എല്ലാം പറയണം, പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടുതൽ ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കണമെന്ന് തന്നെ വിചാരിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, ലൈവ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കണം എന്ന് കരുതിയതല്ല. എന്നാലും റെസിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല, നല്ല ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി കണ്ടു. സോ ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് ടുക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഐ ഡിഡ്ന്റ് വാണ്ട് ടു ഹോൾഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ ലോങ് ഓൾസോ. ബട്ട് അഗെയിൻ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഒരുപാട് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഒക്കെ വന്നേനെ. പക്ഷേ എനിവേ ഐ വാസ് ബിസി വിത്ത്, വീട്ടിലാണ്. സോ ബിസി വിത്ത് കുറച്ച് അതർ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഓൾസോ. But again, the market will give you n number of opportunities every single day, almost every single day. Okay, Abel, yes, 25,000 C at 119.5. Yes, okay. Rally lalle exited at 150. Okay, similar story here. 140 something ലാണ് ഞാൻ എക്സിറ്റ്. ഐ വാസ് ഫ്രം 103, 104 to 140 സംതിങ് ആയിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ ട്രേഡ്. ഓക്കെ, അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഹാഫ് ഓഫ് ദ റാലി. ഓക്കെ, യെസ് റൈറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു അബിൽ. ആൻഡ് അത് നമ്മൾ ഫിബൊനാച്ചി വരച്ച് നമ്മൾ 1.618 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ എക്സാക്റ്റ് ആ ലെവലിലാണ്. നോട്ട് എക്സാക്ട്ലി, അത് 100% അത് ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്തു. ഈവൻ ഇറ്റ് വെന്റ് എബോവ് ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ. സോ ദാറ്റ് വാസ് very wisely analyzed. നമ്മൾ ലൈവ് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത സമയം അല്ലേ, ലൈവ് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത സമയം കുറച്ച് മാറിപ്പോയി. 12 മണിയായിട്ടും കണ്ടില്ല. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ 2 മണിക്ക് നോക്കാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാണ് പറ്റിയത്. ഫുൾ ടൈം ട്രേഡർ, വേറെ ജോലി ഇല്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ പോസിബിളി നോക്കായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ വേറെ കുറച്ച് തിരക്കുള്ളതായിരുന്നു. Anyway, I can see not everyone has liked the video. Please consider liking the video. Please like the video. Okay, like karo, subscribe karo. Okay, yes, subscribers at 313. Yes, I know this is the first video. 25k put high OA ആണ്. Of course, see Jacob expect ചെയ്യണം. Multiples of 500, multiples of 1000. നമുക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് എപ്പോഴും പറയാം there will be huge activity there, definitely. പക്ഷേ how high it is, yes, as just ജേക്കബ് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് നോക്കാം. Yeah, 25,000 ഒബ്വിയസ് അല്ല. നമുക്ക് 25,000 എന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആവും, 25,000 എന്നുള്ളൊരു സപ്പോർട്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോൾ സപ്പോർട്ട് ആവും എന്നുള്ളത് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ ഒബ്വിയസ് തിങ്. മാത്തമാറ്റിക്കലി നോക്കിയാൽ മതി, 1000 മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ അല്ലേ. ആൻഡ് ദ OI ബീങ് ഓക്കെ, ഹ്യൂജ് പുട്ട് OI ബിൽഡപ്പ് ആണ്. I mean, yes, put OI has considerably gone up. Okay, considerably gone up to 226 lakhs, I guess. So that is huge build up. Strongest support 25,000 ആണ്. So there is less chance that 25,000 will be broken. No chance, very less chance. എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെ അക്കൗണ്ട് ശ്രീഹരി ഈസ് മൈ ബ്രദർ. എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെ അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്നും എനിക്ക് ട്രേഡുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സോ ബ്രദറിൻ്റെയും അക്കൗണ്ട് പലപ്പോഴും ഞാനാണ് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തത്. സോ അവിടെയും പുട്ട് സ്പ്രെഡ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് വി കുഡ് ക്യാച്ച് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 0.4%. In that tight range, Nifty is still prevailing in that tight range, 100 to that 50-60 point range. So again 120 range, 25,110. Okay, 110 ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് മുകളിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ഫോൾസ് പ്രോമിസ്, വിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ചെക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ. ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ഫോൾസ് പ്രോമിസ്, ഒരു ഫോൾസ് ബ്രേക്ക് ഔട്ട് അല്ലാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ എക്സ്പെക്ട് 25,200 പ്ലസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരു റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇപ്പോൾ നോക്കിയാൽ കിട്ടില്ല, കാരണം ഫോർ ദ ലാസ്റ്റ് 3-4 months 25,200 വന്നിട്ടില്ല. And 25,200, as you can see ഈ റേഞ്ചിൽ 20. Okay, there's a brush. Okay, where is a brush? This one. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, so 25,200 it has already taken a good resistance. Okay, at this point, that was in October. So October നല്ല റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. October twice നല്ല റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഉണ്ട് during the fall. So that will definitely act as a resistance. How strong we'll see. If market is to go up. Okay. And where is our option now? At 104 now. Same, doesn't matter. Doesn't change much. Hasn't changed much. Okay. Okay, so Abel and Neju has asked me something to say this. Chayan, അറിയാലോ? Hi to all the Chayans. Hope your trades are going well. Okay, yeah. So if you like the stream, if you are happy with what we are discussing here, suggest it to your friends. Okay, so നാളെ നമ്മൾ streaming ഉണ്ടാവും. Definitely the live stream will be on tomorrow also. Okay, so suggest it to your friends so that they will also get informed decisions. They will also have an idea of what are we looking at, how the generally trends work, how technical analysis, how price action works. Okay, so suggest it to your friends. Keep motivating us. Okay, thank you. Let's keep going. So if there are people out there still holding to that call option, so whether you make profits today or not, that is not the main issue. Have the discipline. Just exit it. Okay. It is a very reasonable loss to have, loss to suffer. Okay. So just exit it and aram kar. Just stay cool. It is very much okay. Okay. Hi John Paul. John Paul has joined in. Yes. Yes, Abeletan has requested something. അത് തള്ളി കളഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഇല്ല കേട്ടോ ആബിലേട്ടാ. ഓക്കെ, Abel, Dr. Abel, yes. Doctorate from NIFTY50. See, is the market consolidating in this tight range for another sharp bullish move? That is a question. I guess yes. Okay. So towards the end you might also look for some hero zero trades where you hit it, you earn it. If it doesn't hit, no problem. Okay, 25,100 call. Okay, 25,000. If market again consolidates in the 25,040 to 25,110 70 point range, which area range ആണ്. So market consolidating there. So inside this box, inside this range, no trade, just leave it. Below this, if it comes below this, be very careful. Okay, if it comes below this, let me tell you, that could be a trap. Okay, I'm warning you in prayer. ഞാൻ മുന്നേ കൂട്ടി വാൺ ചെയ്യാണ്. താഴോട്ട് വരുന്നത്, it could be a trap. We have to again confirm that. താഴേക്ക് വരുന്ന കണ്ട് ഉടനെ ഒരു ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കരുത്. It could be a trap to sweep the liquidity here and go up again, because the market being bullish almost the entire day, almost from 10:30, from 10:45 to almost entire day being bullish, it still has enough strength, especially 25,000 to cross either. So market has strength. Day candle നോക്കിയാലും it has crossed the previous swing high also. So ഒരു downward movement immediately ഉണ്ടാവണമെന്ന് കരുതുന്നത് not very feasible. Yes, it seems that we are breaking down the 25,040, but there is always a but. This could be a manipulation. We'll have to wait and see. So how do we wait and see? Okay, so one thing being the close of the candle should be below this one, and the next candle should go below this candle which has broken the support. So ഈ ക്യാൻഡലിൻ്റെ ക്ലോസ് താഴെ വരണം, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്യാൻഡിൽ അതിനെ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ then possibly yes. But again ഞാൻ പറയട്ടെ, അവിടുന്ന് ആയാലും because there is huge put away build up at 25,000, there is not enough space. 24,000 25,040 break going to 25,000, there is no room, there is almost nothing to be caught there. വേണ്ട, എൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. See, the value of the option has declined to 95. നമ്മൾ എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് 104, so 95, sorry, yeah. Yes, but it's a trap. Yes. പലപ്പോഴും ഇന്ന് തന്നെ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ we were also part of a small trap, but we exited with very reasonable loss. Okay, so was it a trap or was it did we rush too much? Okay, so seeing today's market condition, I thought it was not a rush, but again നമ്മൾ രാവിലെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് നമ്മളെ സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റ് ആക്കി കളയും. നമ്മൾ എത്ര വർഷം 20 വർഷം 30 വർഷം ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലും this can happen. പക്ഷേ വെരി ഹാപ്പി ടു ബിയർ ദിസ് ലോസ്, വളരെ ചെറിയൊരു നഷ്ടം. ഹാവിങ് കോട്ട് ദ 25. Yes, the stream was interrupted, but I think it is fine now. Or is it? Okay, am I audible now? Yes. I think ഒരു okay, so the follower, okay, there is a query from the follower which is a very good question actually. Okay, so what is the main difference between selling a put and buying a call of same strike price? Okay, yes, okay, thank you Rahima. Yes, thank you. So selling a put and buying a call, so you have to understand how this basically works. So what is an option? Okay, what are options, what are derivatives? Okay, if you have to understand this, you have to understand it from there. Okay, so derivatives are basically derived from an underlying asset. Okay, so just like we go to someone, okay, we are telling him that we need your house, okay, so he tells you the house costs 50 lakhs, okay, house costs you 50 lakhs. So you tell him, okay, I will tell you this, I mean I will buy you this, buy the house from you, but I do not have 50 lakhs now, okay. The next month on the same date I will come and buy 50 lakhs, I will come and buy this for 50 lakhs, okay. So that is the word you give him, and for that you give him a token advance, okay, you give him a token advance, and that token advance is called the premium, okay. So in this case you are the option buyer, okay. Now the same who is the house owner, he tells you that, okay, I will sell you for 50 lakhs, okay, but you give me the token advance. Now what can happen in this 1 month? In this 1 month the price of that property or that house can go up or go down or come whatever, okay. If it goes down, the seller is at an advantage because he already has told you that he will sell you for only 50 lakhs, but the buyer has to buy it for 50 lakhs even though now it costs only 40 lakhs because that is the premium paid, okay. So this is how basically the this works. I think my webcam currently is not functioning, just a minute. Okay, I'll just add my webcam once again. Yes. Video capture device, yes. Capture device. Okay, I guess now it's fine, right? Now this is fine, okay. So this is basically, see, this is not something to be explained in the live, but I am telling you the idea. If you have this much idea, okay. Now, as far as trading is concerned, the option seller always has a probability of 66.6% to win. Okay. So being an option seller, if I am selling, let's say currently market is at 25,077, I am selling 25,200 call, which is supposed to be at 0 now. Any call of any expiry, because the market is below 25,200, all the call options above 25,080, 25,100 or 25,200 call, 300 call, everything is supposed to be ideally at 0, because all the call options are supposed to be 0, but they are at a premium now, okay. Now if you sell a call option, you intend the market to go down, right? You are selling a call option, intend the market to go down. Wait a minute. Yeah, my ചിറ്റപ്പൻ ഇച്ചിരി ജോലിയില്ല, പിന്നെ വരട്ടെ. കാണാനില്ലേ റിമോട്ട്? അവിടെ നിന്ന് ആ സോഫയുടെ ചിറ്റപ്പൻ ഒരു 10 മിനിറ്റ് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ വരാം, ജോലിയിലായിട്ടെ. ആ സോഫ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വാ വരട്ടെ, ഓക്കെ. സോ കാണുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ നെഫ്യൂ. നീ നെഫ്യൂ അല്ലടാ? Okay, so yes, okay, he's Ambu, my brother's son, okay. Ambu ഒരു ഹായ് പറയാം എല്ലാവരോടും. ഹായ്. ഓക്കെ, he's 4 years old, okay. ഇപ്പോൾ ഹായ് പറയാനായിട്ടില്ല, ഹായ് ഒക്കെ പറയാനാകുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ വരും, പിന്നെ വലിയ ട്രേഡർ ആക്കണം. അമ്പു ഇപ്പോൾ താഴെ പോകും, ചിറ്റപ്പം വരാം, ഓക്കെ. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. So you sell a call option, okay. We were at 25,200 call you sell, okay. Now what is the maximum loss you can have? If the option goes to 26,000, your loss will be 800, because 25,200 to 26,800 is the difference. It can go anything, it can be anything, okay. What is the maximum profit you can have? The maximum profit you can have is the premium you already sold. Your profit is always limited, but your loss is unlimited. Loss can be unlimited. I am talking about naked selling, okay. Loss can be unlimited, profit can be limited, but what is your advantage? That even if the market is at the time of expiry, even if the market stays at the same place, let's say 25,080 or 20,100 or 150 or 200 also. If it goes to 25,200, then also the premium of that option goes to zero. You have already sold it at a premium of, let's say, 100 rupees. Now that premium comes to zero. Selling at 100, buying at 0. Okay, so even if the market acts against you, you still have some sort of a buffer because of the premium you have paid. For that safety factor, your risk is that your loss can go to unlimited. I'm talking about naked selling. Okay, for an option buyer, what is the maximum loss you can have? The maximum loss one can afford, one can have, is the premium he has paid, he or she has paid. Okay, let's say for 25,100 call or 25,200 itself call, you buy it. Now you are at a safe position because the maximum loss you can have, you already know. It is one load. If it is one load, let's say Nifty 75 quantity into how much is the premium, that is the premium. I mean, that is the maximum loss you can have. So 75 into that loss is the maximum loss, but the maximum profit you can have can be infinite. Let's say the market goes to 26,000, which is a possibility. Today what happened? Market rallied from 24,500 to 25,100, 600 points, 2.7% in a single day. So if you had bought a 24,500 call, the maximum loss you could have had is something, but your profit would have been huge today, very, very huge. And it is option buying that bought me some not considerable, but the today's highest profit is what, 9,000. Yeah, this was option buying. Okay, again this, yes, okay, so this is not something which has to be explained in a live without any, any equipments, any at least a PowerPoint presentation, or at least not being a face-to-face meeting. Okay, just because you asked, I put in this effort. Okay, maybe I think I have made something clear to you. Okay, so this is how generally option work. But let me tell you this, options, if you are, again I have told you in the beginning of morning stream, if you are a beginner to the market, stay away from options. Okay, do stay away from options. You may make huge profits, but there is a very higher chance that you may make huge losses. Okay, so just because you asked, I was telling you this. So please consider liking this channel. Okay, liking the video, share it to your friends. Strict consolidation in 25,040, 25,100 levels. Okay, in the meanwhile, so preferably I don't feel like doing any hero zero trades also today. What is it? See, no, nothing today. It's already 3:10. No signs of a good movement either side. It just went up, consolidated. That gave us some limited loss, but it is fine. Value of the option now at 91. We exited at 104. Happy. Need I ask? Okay, so tomorrow we'll come up with tomorrow again we'll come up with good ideas, empowering ideas, enlightening ideas. We'll also have a look at what the sensible experts say, because they are the option trading experts. Option platform they have created, the number one option platform in India, options trading platform. So the sensible analysis of every day, we'll align it with our Fibonacci levels and our analysis of support and resistance with open interest data too. Okay, so we'll take into account multiple things, multiple analysis, multiple strategies, so that we can improve our accuracy. Again today, no more chances. Again, this was the golden zone, breakout, proper breakout, boom, from 24,700 25,000, 300 points. 300 points could have given us what, minimum of 70 to 80% profit. Chalo, we got 20%, not 20 25%. Chalo. What is the main thing? Main thing is whether we were right. Yes, we were right. Okay, so क्या हो रहा है यार मार्केट में? 25,040. The option value at 84, 83 now. See, listen, we could have gone to much more losses, but we limited. Good one. And what is the news regarding the war? I don't think there is any issues currently. Hopefully nothing worse happens. Everything settles well. We'll also be sharing the shorts of our trades today. Okay, so please consider suggesting it to your friends. Give us maximum promotion. Okay, help us reach more people so that we can all grow together. The community grows big. So in the end, the entire community as well as everyone's financial status gets better, hopefully. Okay. And if you want to be an overnight success, this probably is not the place for you. This can take you normal time. Okay. Options trading will give you means in the sense we'll give our analysis which is up to your discretion definitely. Okay, so yes, yes, yes. So last 10 minutes, no more trades today. So we're done with today's trades. Okay, those who want to leave, definitely you can consider leaving, but we are not having any more trades for today. We're done with it. Okay, let's not overstrain ourselves. The 2 p.m. session has not worked as we hoped, but again very limited loss, which is very much fine. Okay, chalo, that's fine. Okay, right. Floor, thank you. Sabil, yeah, Sabilka, yes, hi, Sabil. Sabil, the follower. Okay, thank you. Hope I have been able to help you in some way or the other. Okay. No change.
At least after a successful trip. Consider liking the video. Okay. Please like the video. Please share it to your friends. Remove this question. So that's simply the way to look at it. Okay, so yes, now, yes. So 130 level is tested again. 550, 560. You can obviously see the support being taken there. Good level around 24,560.
Okay, so thank you people for joining in. Bye. We're closing the stream now. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much. Yes.